Imagine this. You spent years building your dream business. You invested your savings, worked late nights, hired employees, found customers, and finally started making money. Then one day, a lawsuit arrives. A former employee claims wrongful termination. A customer sues over an injury. The IRS starts investigating tax records. Or a business partner walks away with your company's assets. Within months, everything you've built begins to collapse. The scary part? Most small businesses don't fail because of bad products or lack of customers. Many fail because of legal mistakes that could have been prevented. Today, we are going to discuss the 10 legal mistakes that can destroy a small business in the United States and how you can avoid them before it's too late. Let's begin. Mistake number 1. Operating without the right business structure. One of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is starting a business without choosing the proper legal structure. Many people operate as sole proprietors because it's easy and inexpensive. But here's the problem. If your business gets sued, your personal assets may be at risk. That means your house, savings account, car, and investments could potentially be exposed. Imagine owning a small construction company. An accident happens at a job site. The injured party files a lawsuit. Without legal protection through an LLC or corporation, your personal finances could be targeted. That's why many business owners choose structures such as LLCs, S corporations, C corporations. The right structure can provide liability protection and tax advantages. Before launching a business, consult a qualified attorney or CPA to determine which structure fits your situation. Mistake number 2. Not using written contracts. Many business relationships begin with trust. A handshake, a phone call, a simple verbal agreement. Unfortunately, trust is not a legal strategy. When money is involved, misunderstandings happen. Without a written contract, proving who agreed to what becomes extremely difficult. Let's say a client hires your company for a $50,000 project. Halfway through the work, they refuse to pay. You insist payment was promised. They deny it. Now you're facing a costly legal battle. A strong written contract should clearly define services provided, payment terms, deadlines, responsibilities, dispute resolution procedures. A contract protects both parties and reduces legal uncertainty. Never rely solely on verbal promises. Mistake number 3. Ignoring employment laws. Hiring employees creates legal responsibilities. Many small business owners unknowingly violate labor laws. Common mistakes include misclassifying employees as independent contractors, failing to pay overtime, discrimination during hiring, improper termination procedures. Employment lawsuits are among the most expensive legal problems businesses face. Even a single lawsuit can cost tens of thousands of dollars in legal fees. Business owners must understand federal, state, and local employment regulations. Create clear employee policies. Maintain proper records. Train managers on workplace compliance. Prevention is far cheaper than litigation. Mistake number 4. Failing to protect intellectual property. Your brand may be your most valuable asset. Yet many businesses fail to legally protect it. Imagine spending years building a successful brand name. Then another company registers a similar trademark and forces you to rebrand. Suddenly, your logo, website, packaging, and marketing materials become worthless. Intellectual property protection may include trademarks, copyrights, patents, trade secrets. Protecting intellectual property isn't just for giant corporations. It's essential for startups and small businesses too. If your brand matters, protect it legally. Mistake number 5. Mixing personal and business finances. Many entrepreneurs treat business accounts like personal wallets. This creates serious legal and financial risks. For example, using business funds for personal expenses, paying personal bills from company accounts, failing to separate accounting records. These actions can weaken liability protection. In certain legal situations, courts may pierce the corporate veil. That means personal assets could become vulnerable despite having an LLC or corporation. Always maintain separate bank accounts, credit cards, financial records. Professional bookkeeping is not optional. It's a necessity. Mistake number 6. Not having proper insurance. Many business owners believe insurance is an unnecessary expense. Until disaster strikes. One lawsuit. One accident. One natural disaster. One cyber attack. That's all it takes. Common business insurance policies include general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, workers' compensation, property insurance, cyber liability insurance. Insurance cannot prevent problems, but it can prevent a problem from becoming a catastrophe. Think of insurance as a financial safety net. Mistake number 7. Neglecting tax compliance. Taxes are one area where mistakes can become extremely expensive. The IRS doesn't care if you were busy. They care whether you complied with the law. Common tax mistakes include late filings, underreporting income, poor record keeping, payroll tax violations. Penalties and interest can accumulate quickly. In severe cases, businesses may face audits, liens, or legal action. Keep accurate records. Work with qualified tax professionals. And never ignore tax notices. Ignoring a problem rarely makes it disappear. Mistake number 8. Violating data privacy laws. Today's businesses collect more customer information than ever before. Names, emails, phone numbers, payment information, personal data. With that data comes responsibility. A data breach can destroy customer trust overnight. In some states, privacy violations can also result in significant legal penalties. Businesses should implement strong cybersecurity measures, secure data storage, employee security training, privacy policies. Protecting customer information is no longer optional. It's a legal and business necessity. Mistake number 9. Skipping required licenses and permits. Many entrepreneurs launch first and worry about regulations later. That approach can be dangerous. Different industries require different licenses. Restaurants, construction companies, financial services, healthcare providers, real estate businesses. Operating without proper authorization can lead to fines, forced shutdowns, legal action. Before opening your doors, verify all licensing requirements at the federal, state, and local levels. A simple oversight can become a major obstacle. Mistake number 10. Waiting too long to seek legal help. Perhaps the biggest mistake of all is waiting until a crisis occurs. Many business owners only call a lawyer after receiving a lawsuit. By then, damage may already be done. Legal professionals aren't just for emergencies. They help businesses identify risks, draft contracts, ensure compliance, resolve disputes early. Think of legal advice as preventive maintenance. It's far less expensive than fixing major legal problems later. Smart business owners seek guidance before problems arise. Conclusion. Building a successful business takes vision, hard work, and determination. But success isn't just about making sales. It's also about protecting what you've built. Let's quickly recap the 10 legal mistakes that can destroy a small business. 1. Choosing the wrong business structure. 2. Not using written contracts. 3. Ignoring employment laws. 4. Failing to protect intellectual property. 5. Mixing personal and business finances. 6. Lacking proper insurance. 7. Neglecting tax compliance. 8. Violating data privacy laws. 9. Missing licenses and permits. 10. Waiting too long to seek legal help. Remember, one legal mistake can undo years of hard work. The businesses that survive and thrive are the ones that take legal protection seriously. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow entrepreneurs. And tell us in the comments, which legal mistake do you think is the most dangerous for small business owners? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.